Morning, y'all. Hope you guys can see me. I'm currently sitting in a Hy-Vee gas station parking lot. It is about 6:30. Still pretty dark outside. I am meeting a couple buddies today. We're gonna be doing some kayak fishing. The weather is going to be rainy and cold and windy, so hopefully it somewhat cooperates with us. We find the fish and we take home some crappies because I'm in the mood for a good fish fry. I got the spinning rig and I got the fly rig, so probably mix it up a little bit. I don't have any live bait. I'm basically just going to be throwing some, I got some white grubs and some red runners on my spinning rig, and on the fly rig I got those little juicy Fuego golden retriever flies that I'm going to be tossing. So I'll leave this gas station, drink my coffee, and I'll see you on the water. Alrighty, we are on the water. Alright, so I guess Dylan, he's already on. I think they might just let this wind that's drifting along this bank. I almost got hung up.
What do you got on, a golden retriever?
Yeah. All reliable. How big was that largie?
The first one was probably a good solid 3.
Damn.
The second one was under a pound.
Right up by that lay down. Ooh. Oh man. Oh. Thought I had a bite, but snagged some veg. And yes, I said veg, not the other word. Man, I thought that was a solid hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Crap. Had a solid bite. Thought it was a snag. A decent largie. Alrighty, since I don't have an anchor, I just found some shallow water with some reeds sticking up. Kind of using that as a makeshift anchor. I want to fish these shallows a little bit. I need to move out. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to throw the spinning rig. If you ask me, this is not going too well for me. So, out with that. In with the spinning rig. Dylan's hooked up.
Oh, he hit like he was going straight for all the stuff on.
Dude, I saw your rod bent up, man. Heck yeah, dude. Right on. That's sick. Right on, dude.
Yeah, I mean, they're just sinking right into the hook, so I'm happy.
Hell yeah.
Good stuff. You got that?
Yep.
All right.
We're ready to roll now, man. Get another one.
All right.
I want to try over by these rocks.
All right. Very far. It's actually here.
How long of a drive is it?
To get to Gilswick, it's an hour and 40 minutes. To get to here, it's an hour.
Fish on.
Man, bad, you know what
Crappie.
I mean? Nice. Put that time to
Oh. Booyah.
Heck yeah, man.
Sick. First crappie on the stringer. Oh, good drag. good. Crappie. Crappie number 2. Hot Mess Express, I tell you. Get in here. Oh yeah. Crappie number 3. Fish already snagged a huge branch. Yep, huge branch. Go figure. Booyah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Crappie number 4 going on the stringer. Oh my God. We got water in the yak. Winds are picking up. This is not good. That's the haul so far for crappie. Got back on the bank. My back was killing me sitting in that kayak, so I want to switch it up and kind of just fish the shoreline, see if I can fill the stringer up a little more. Oh, what was that? Did you guys see that? Holy cow, I don't know if that was a bass or just a savage crappie. I don't know if that was a bass, dude, just hiding up underneath these reeds. Alright guys, sorry this video's kind of been jumping around. It was kind of hard to juggle 2 rods, 2 cameras, and a kayak while trying to deal with the wind and the rain and numb fingers, but I did the best I could. Brought home 4 nice size eater crappie that I want to fillet out, take over to my parents' house tomorrow to fry up for my dad's birthday. It was another windy day and I'm still fighting this cold from last week, so I'm kind of hard to understand probably. But let's get inside, let's dry off some gear, recharge some batteries, and let's fillet these fish. Good morning once again, guys. It is Sunday, it's my dad's birthday. Packing up some gear. It's a little more chilly today than it was yesterday, but at least we have no rain and the wind is pretty good, so that's going for us. I'm going to be bank fishing, so it's going to be a lot easier to manage all my rod and reels and my camera gear, and don't have to worry about falling in the water. But just rigging up my chesty GoPro. Sun's out, there's no wind, no rain, so it's looking to be a beautiful morning on the water. I got a catfish rig, I got my spinning rig, I got my fly rig, so we're gonna give her hell. Water looks a little muddy. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm gonna throw in this little purple conehead leech. I've always loved using purple. Early spring, for some reason, they just tear it up. Now this little dock right here, man, this is usually my fire spot. Let's give this a cast. Last time I was here, I was fishing along these banks, and it's hammered the largies. But this water is choco milk. Got one, got one. Booyah. Just a little largy. Got him on the purple conehead leech. See ya. Thanks for playing. Well, the skunk's off. And my line's all in these frozen goose turds now.
Come on in. Get yourself a brew. We got fish. We have okra. We have potatoes.
We got some Sammy Adams.
We got some Sam Adams.
Man, this is the fish grilling station right here. Good. We all some rain together. John, great. Crappie. Beer.
Last night, and I was like, you know,
Already all the fish is done. Nice and hot. The beer's cold, so I'm gonna go inside, hang out with the family, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, see y'all.